Hello viewers, today we are going to capture single push button on off logic in Siemens S7 program. So first I will open that my interface window in Siemens. Okay. So in that for testing purpose I created one block for HC3 the logic test gate. Okay. So in that our concept is if one press the output should on and the second press the output should off. So this is the concept we are going to use some gates. Okay, so in that first I will open this. Okay, open the block. So in that here you see I am not going to make any ladder or STL, so I am going to make functional block. Okay, functional block first title I put single button on off. Okay, so in that first I get a bit logic. So I am receiving from the push button signal. It is called a pulse. Okay, so I just make a pulse. Then I want to hold the pulse outcome. I am using the XOR gate. Okay, so I just link the XOR gate together. Then I want the one output. So that output I am using the coil here. Okay, so just I am giving the labeling called M 100 This is my push button input. The M 100.1. This is my pulse outputs and this is my output. It is called M 101.2. So same output I am using to trigger my XOR gate playback input. So I'm adding one more input, one more network is a output count. So output I am putting in the indicator. Okay. So just I want to call the input. So I want to use here is the output. So I am using this input as an input. Then my output should be Q 10.0. My example I am taking. Okay. So this I am giving the symbols. Okay. Edit symbol. So it's button on off. Data type is boolean command. Is a single push on off. Okay, then this is my single shot input. So I am writing here single shot. TRIGGR. So trigger. Data type is boolean. Symbol you have to type SPULSE pulse. Okay. Then XOR out. Temp hold. That the so this is the field output. So I just put LIGHT light boolean and output indicator. Okay, indicator. Okay, so I just apply and close. So now the logic is ready. Okay, so I just save the logic. Okay, just I'm going to close the block. So now we need to simulate this logic. So I'm just opening the simulation PLC. So before I'm going to start, I just reset my program. Then I just download my program to my simulation PLC. Okay. So yeah, now the program is downloaded. I just put run mode in my simulation PLC. Yeah, now PLC is went for the run mode. So we are going to check the F3 block. Okay. So yeah, now block is ready, logic is ready. Okay, now I'm going to online this See if the system is went online now. Okay. So now if you see here, I already, okay, for you I am understanding, I'm telling one memory block and output block. Okay. In the memory block, so here I am using 101. So I just here I creating 101 and my output is 10. Okay, 10 I am using. So now the output is called. Okay, so now everything is ready. So just I am giving the trigger signal for 0. See, first my output is getting on. If you will see the QB also getting on here. Okay. Now again I am giving the single input. So automatically my output will cut off. The same function. If you give an input, automatically will on. If you cut, it will cut. It is just a field. It's applicable. Uh, so this is about the XR gauging, but you can go with statement logic also. Then you can put F2. Then the all pulse will come here. So you can see how the statement logic is driven, and if you convert in the XR gate, because the XR logic had contains some STL logic, so that's why the system is not converted to your ladder logic. So again, if you press Control 3, then automatically your display will come here. Thank you.